Kuha natin yung camera. Kuha natin yung camera. Nice! Kailan nag-start, sir?
Kaya kasi tayo nag-open din, yung official open natin. 14.
Feb 14?
Oo, Feb 14.
Paano nyo nalaman yung FotoBox?
Nakita ko lang din po siya sa FB and kasi diba trendy po siya ngayon. Lalo na yung sa Korean.
Natanay naman sa frame. Thank you.
Sulit?
Sulit.
Masaya? Ilang hours kayong nag-photoshoot? 15 minutes lang?
Pero super dami. Almost
Like how many?
100.
So basically, yung buong process takes an hour. May process ng shoot, tapos yung process ng orientation, plus yung mamimili nga, yung printing pa. Yung allotted time is for them to be comfortable sa space, tsaka to be able to think of the poses.
Yes.
Ganun.
So this is it, guys. This is FotoBox Studios. Is this the first in Angeles City?
Yes, it is. It is.
Experience natin siya,
That's right,
siyempre.
that's
Okay,
right.
okay. So set up natin yung camera, guys.
Sige.
Alright, yan bro.
Magsa-selfie lang tayo.
So this is our camera, photo camera natin is here. This is the monitor. Ayan, just to give you a perspective guys kung paano yung mga susunod nating mga gagawin. Politician shot. This is the first shot guys. Politician shot. Power shot.
Mga dating one shadow, one shot.
According to our mga owners dito guys, so there are two ways on how to lit your face, no? So if you want dramatic one, isa lang yung source of light natin, and then this one is turned off. Dito ko titingin. Nice. Nice. What an experience, Mark. Almost every time nasa harap tayo ng camera, we do videos. But that was totally different experience. Since this one is, self-operated, wala tayong kaharap na photographer. Tayo lang, hindi ka mahiya sa sarili mo.
Actually, hindi tayo malilimitahan dito when it comes sa mga poses, numbers of pictures, and yung mga creativity na naisip nyo, pwede nyo yung gawin dito.
So siguro guys, when you go here, I suggest research na kayo kung ano yung mga pose na gagayahin ninyo.
Yes.
Save it on your camera and then do it here.
This is another good therapy
Yes,
sa mga
I was about to
actually, sa
say.
mga nalulungkot.
Correct.
Gusto magkaroon ng maraming albums of memories.
Correct.
And sabi nga nila, smile is the free therapy.
Yun. Ito yung mga shots natin. Ayan. I always see myself sa camera but dito kinikilig ako sa mga pictures. Okay. Kinikilig ako.
It's up to you how you pose. It's
Yes,
up to you.
yes,
It's at your own pace.
Superman, no?
Oh, Superman. Oh. Hey. Terminator. Politician.
Just to make sure that the
Parang may ceramic coating.
oh, parang exactly, parang sa kotse.
Ceramic coating.
Ayan siya. So you can
So
take it out.
That's us.
That was one thing that we really love doing is clipping the ends.
Yun
It's
yung
very
satisfying.
Oh,
Yeah.
Final product na.
Okay. Good job. I like it.
So yun, sabi niyo, you were able to have a photograph on your hand again.
Yes.
Hi guys, we are inviting you to the FotoBox Studios. Get ready, be happy, smile, and bring your friends, families, even your dogs and your cats. It's a very fun experience for everyone, all types of people, ages, and sizes. So again, welcome to the FotoBox, and we hope to see you, and we hope to make you smile.
We are located po just above Orange Bucket in Balibago.
Okay, and we are open from
10 a.m. to 9 p.m. daily.
Hanggang Sunday?
Yes,
Really?
po.
Thanks so much!
Thank you. Thank you, Pampanga.
Alright.
So, meron din tayong, ano dito? 4 pictures in 1 pic.
Or pick one word.
Ito yung grid photo natin. Another memory na pwede nating itago. Let's bring back yung mga photo albums. Yan.